Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't notice in the thumbnail, today is a collaboration with the lovely BreeAnn Barbie here on YouTube. Me and Bree have been talking for a little while about doing a video together, and we couldn't really think about what we wanted to do. We wanted to do a piercing related video, but we have already done so many different kinds of videos on our own channels. I had the idea of us doing similar makeup looks, and she really liked the idea, so we both did this kind of sapphire blue ocean kind of theme, both blue eyeshadow looks, and hers turned out absolutely gorgeous. She has a really high subscriber base compared to me, and she has an amazing channel. She does beauty videos, piercing videos, makeup videos, just like a whole bunch of stuff. She does body jewelry hauls, body jewelry declutter, like everything you could think of, and she uploads really often, which is also really nice. I love watching her videos. I'm sure you guys would love watching her videos as well if you don't already know who she is. I will have a link to her channel in the description box, and you guys can just click that and go subscribe to her channel and give her a thumbs up on our collaboration video. And thank you to Bree for doing this with me. I think that's just mind-blowing because I have been a fan of her channel for a very long time, and I've always seen her videos pop up in my feed because YouTube knows I already would like those videos. I watch her videos all the time, and it was just such an honor for me to collaborate with her because I have watched her videos for a few years now, and it's just so much fun making connections like that on this platform. So thank you, Bree, for doing this collaboration video. I really hope that you guys enjoy both of our videos. She definitely does a lot more piercing videos than I do, so if you guys like those kinds of videos, definitely go check her out. Both of us have similar tastes in tattoos, piercings, and makeup, so it was really fun to get to know her a little bit. I'll insert a picture of the look that she came up with for this collaboration. Okay guys, so I have already used the CoverFX Blurring Primer. Looks like this. It works really well. I don't usually look for blurring in primers. I usually want them hydrating, but that's my first time using that one, and I actually really liked it. Foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 102 Fair Porcelain. I'm going to be using that with my beauty blender. I'm going to kind of speed through this part pretty quickly just to save time on this video, but I will definitely be doing an updated foundation routine very soon. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, as always, in the shade Fair. And since I look like a ghost right now, I still have a little tiny bit of fake tan left on my neck. I'm just going to take the same foundation, but in a few shades darker, and this is shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm just going to kind of warm up my face a little bit. On the outer perimeter of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. For the center sections of my face, I'm going to set it with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Next, I'm going to be contouring my nose and my cheekbones and forehead with the Pure Sculptor palette. And I got this in my BoxyCharm this month. I'm going to be using the lighter contour shade. I swear it is a lot lighter than it looks, just to do all of that contouring. Next, I'm just going to fill in my brows as normal using the Beige Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder in Granite. For highlight, I'm going to take the shade called Originator in that same Pure Contour Kit. It's the lighter highlight shade, and I'm just going to highlight all of the places I normally would, and then I'm going to go on top of that highlight with a little bit of a blue highlight to match the eyes. And this is the blue highlight shade. It doesn't have a name. It's out of the Naked Cosmetics highlight palette. So I'm just going to kind of mix those two highlight shades to make a very like subtle blue. Okay, now that we have the skin done, we will move on to eyes, and this is the most exciting part. I think I'm going to do a cut crease. with these same colors that Bree is doing. Obviously, we're doing a similar look, although we're doing two different kinds of eyeshadow looks. She did more of a smoky eye look, and I'm going to do a cut crease. I think I'm going to be using these blue shades right here in the Morphe, what number is this? In the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. So I have all of my eyeshadow brushes here. I think I'm going to be starting out with that blue shade from the Morphe palette. It is that kind of teal color, this one right here. And I'm just placing it high up above my crease, almost to my brow bone, but not quite, and just kind of blending up a little bit. So we have something like that. That looks insane. I'm going to quickly do the brow bone highlight just to get that out of the way. I'm going to be using the shade called Dippin' Diamonds, which is out of the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to take that on my Morphe M149 brush. And then I'm going to take the dark blue from the same palette right here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer half here of my eye from my lash line to a little bit above my crease, and then on the inner corner here. This shade right here, way above your crease. If you do have hooded eyes like I do, bring it up here. If you don't have hooded eyes, then you can bring it right above your crease. But we're just going to kind of create a little bit of dimension in that lighter blue shade. And then I'm going to take this kind of ultraviolet blue out of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the edges on the inner part of the eye right here, just so it's a little bit softer. And I'm going to take that light blue tealy shade that we used to blend everything out, and I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line real quick. Now that we have the same blue gradient underneath, we are going to cut the crease. I'm going to be using Tarte Shape Tape for this as well, and a flat Morphe brush that is just pretty basic flat brush, rounded at the tip of the brush. So I like to cut the crease like about right there, so you can still see it when I open my eyes. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So kind of like that. And then I'm going to take that light blue sparkly shade from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette again. It is this one right here. And I'm just going to be applying that right on top of the concealer all over that middle area. And we're just going to take a blue and blend out the edges. And it'll look something like that. And we'll just do the same to this eye. Okay, now that we have both eyes done with the eyeshadow, I did also add a teeny tiny little bit of black where I had the dark blue because I felt like it didn't have quite enough dimension, so I did add a teeny tiny little bit of black just to kind of make the white pop. Take the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette. I'm going to take this blue shade and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Now that we have the eyes done, we are just going to put on some false lashes. I'm going to be using these Kiss ones I have. They're just pretty basic lashes. I don't have anything else. Okay, now that we have the lashes on, I am going to take this ink gel liner by the brand Pretty Vulgar, and it's in this cute little ink pot. And I'm going to take a liner brush. I'm just going to line where the lashes aren't so it matches, just on the inner corners here and a little bit on the outer corner, just so it kind of blends with everything very well. For lips, I'm going to be using the Amore Shine Liquid Lip Color by Milani, and this is in the shade Delight. It is just a very pigmented lip gloss. And I actually feel like I want a little bit of glitter on the center of the lid, so I'm going to use the Stila Magnificent Metals in Perlina, and it is the new white shade. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my lid. Hey guys, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it came out. It actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I have done one other look like this and I posted it on Instagram, and you guys really wanted a tutorial of that look, and so I thought this would be a good opportunity for that. That look did have purple on the upper half instead of blue, but me and Bree wanted to do blue inspired looks, and I really wanted to try this kind of eye look, and I absolutely love what we both did for it. I think that blue eyes really complements her complexion a little bit more than mine because she has brown eyes, and brown eyes with blue eyeshadow just looks so beautiful. It just looks like that like Kim Kardashian like bold blue eyeshadow with dark eyes. I love the way blue eyeshadow looks with dark eyes. I do have lighter eyes, so it looks a little bit weirder on me, but I still like how it turned out. Thank you so much to Bree for doing these videos with me. It was so much fun. I absolutely loved it, and thank you guys for watching. I am so happy that I got to do a collaboration with you. I really hope that we can do collaborations in the future since our YouTube channels are so similar with our fan base, and I absolutely love talking to her. She's the sweetest person I've ever met on YouTube. She's definitely the sweetest YouTuber I've talked to. If you guys haven't already, definitely go check out her channel. She has piercing videos, beauty videos, makeup videos, everything you could think of. Honestly, she does it all, and she uploads really often, which is also really nice. I'll leave a link in the description box to her channel, so you can just click that and go subscribe to her channel. Definitely thumbs up both of our videos for this collaboration. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me, and hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!